Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch Gmail application, and after that click here on the right upper corner. Oh, what's going on? And after that, here we can see that we are logging into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do that? First, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that tap here to the Google section. Here we'll see these two accounts, and now just to log out from one from these accounts, we should click just here, then tap here on the more icon and click to remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now we can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account, and now when we'll go back to the application, we can see that also in-app will stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.